Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I will show you how to navigate the Meta Business Suite system to contact a live support representative for your business or ad account. Because Meta does not offer a direct public telephone number or email address for their support management team, you must initiate contact through your Secure Manager dashboard interface. First, open your browser and navigate to business.facebook.com to log into your Meta Business Suite environment. Move your cursor to the bottom left-hand sidebar menu, click on the Help ? Icon, and look for the Contact Support or Get Started prompts. If the option is hidden on your main dashboard layout, scroll completely to the bottom of the pop-out pane, click the blue Help Center link, and then hit Get Support at the very top of the official landing portal. From here, select the specific asset or ad account experiencing issues. Classify your request category and look for the Start Chat icon. Keep in mind that live messaging availability varies based on active advertising spend, verification tier, or regional account standing. If chat is currently restricted on your profile, you can fill out the alternative detailed email intake form to open an official review case. And that is it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I will see you in the next one.